Okay, so what we are looking at is some loose hairs at the top. Well, throughout his hair, all I gotta do is pull those in. It's just the color that I'm kind of worried about. Like, how would I remove this? I don't know how the first person that crocheted his hair put these in. It looked like it's been wrapped around. And from what I can see, he had burgundy, red, and blonde in his hair. So I'm not quite sure what it looked like at first, but I'm going to remove this from his head. I'll do that for you for the Christmas.
Happy Kwanzaa.
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
Okay.
It's your can.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, so we're about to see. See, it's getting small. Here I was getting a visual of how long his hair was, so for the next one to make sure that if I was going to use scissors to not cut his hair, but instead so far I'm going in with the tool. If all of them is like this, then that is how I will remove the rest of the colors.
Yo, Quan, you good? Said I'm good. Right. You when I'm not. Cause it could always be worse, man. I done seen some violence. They gave my homie life for a murder. They know he ain't due. Cops ain't have a clue, but they was mad he beat too. And he been sitting so long that his seeds done grown. And they both doing bids, cause they daddy wasn't home. And I just seen man and mama. She back to doing bad, about the 10th damn time. She relapsed out rehab. I barely knew that she was sued till She seen me and hollered, gave me a big hug that got me for $20. And my baby Angeline would be the bird when she sing. But now, due to that cancer, she blessed just to breathe, and she cried to me when she found out her husband cheating. Said the medication made it too weak to even please him. As I got high, I thought about these people and why God guarded me. Despite my evils, I can't complain about a thing, cause neither do they. And if you see them to this day, you hear them say, I'm good even when I'm not, and alright even when I ain't. Long as I'm alive, I can't complain. I gotta push past the pain. I'm good even when I'm not, and alright even when I ain't. Long as I'm alive, I can't complain. I gotta push past it, I gotta push past it. And everybody wanna know what up. We just trying to survive. Do you wanna know why? Cause we tired of the struggle, so we out here trying to hustle. Serving all kinds of things to fiends. Keep a guns for the muscle. You know how it go when you grow up in the gutter. Daddy locked up, barely seeing my mother. Me and my sisters, aunts and my uncles, all up in my granny house, caught up in the struggle. Living in the nightmare, dying for a dream. Can't even sleep, keep hearing sirens. Walk to the store, junkie saying who got it. Money in his hand, could have been in my pocket. A pack from a dog, started with a double up, learned how to cook. Got me a hustle up, seen a little money, then I lost my mind. Prayed to God, let me flip some more times. Clutching on the nine, stuck up in the grind. Living life lawless, crime after crime. Wolves out full moon every night. Pray to God, pray you get it right. We from that other side.
Finally, I really thought that was going to take a long time. Some of them was rap. I was like, oh, wow. Alright, what's up guys? So what you are looking at is I had to revamp the roster lock extensions because I made them too small. As you can see, deep like this, I made the locks combined to make that. So to give you an idea, this is now bigger than what it originally was. Again, these are very much small compared to his locks. I thought that the back of his head would have smaller locks, which it does, but it's only like 2-3 of them. The rest of them is this size. Well, this size. So now we're going to make the rest of these into this size. So done.